Welcome to EDISLA, where innovation meets excellence. In this video, we'll explore the EDISLA Apex binoculars, meticulously crafted with the customer in mind at every stage. We've developed a distinctive design from scratch to make our binoculars stand out. The EDISLA Apex binoculars showcase a sleek titanium black matte finish and a lightweight yet robust PPS chassis. They're nitrogen purged for reliable waterproof and fog-proof functionality. The EDISLA Apex binocular range offers three distinct configurations: the Apex Standard featuring HD multi-coated optics, the Apex Pro with UHD fully multi-coated optics, and the Apex Pro ED with advanced fully multi-coated UHD plus optics. All three ranges feature BaK4 Prisms. The standard Apex range has silver film phase coating, while the Apex Pro and Pro ED has dielectric coating with EDISLA Vivid technology, offering a vivid and detailed view. All EDISLA's Apex binoculars offer superior optics, a lightweight yet durable body design, and redesigned eye cups paired with broad lenses. The ultimate aim of Apex binoculars is to provide users with a visually delightful experience, ensuring minimal eye strain even during prolonged usage. The Apex binoculars are thoughtfully designed across three ranges, each tailored to different price points and user needs. The standard Apex model offers a lightweight design suitable for general use, while the Apex Pro is versatile, catering to a wide range of activities, particularly birdwatching and hunting. The Apex ED models excel in enhancing color and contrast, delivering superior performance even in low-light conditions. Our commitment to excellence ensures that all three ranges outperform other brands in their category, providing unparalleled performance and reliability. EDISLA Apex binoculars come in various formats, including the popular 8x42 and 10x42, as well as the close-focus 6x24. We also offer compact and powerful options like the 8x32 and 10x32, as well as high-power choices such as the 10x50 and 12x50. Whatever your needs, we've got you covered. Whether you require binoculars for general use, nature viewing, birdwatching, hiking, hunting, or low-light observation, we have you covered with our Apex series. EDISLA Apex binoculars has the perfect solution to enhance your viewing experience, no matter where your adventures take you. Elevate your vision with Apex binoculars.